If your garage door is slowing down, getting noisy, or suddenly stuck, LiftMaster's Garage Door Services is ready to help. We're the go-to team for garage door repair Elk Grove, delivering fast, dependable garage door service you can count on. From garage door opener repair and opener installation to spring repair, spring replacement, and full garage door installation, we handle it all with precision and care. Keep your home secure and your door running smoothly with LiftMaster's Garage Door Services, your trusted choice for garage door repair Elk Grove.